Hey, my name is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set your repair and sales goal of the month. So in order to do this, it's very simple. We'll just go to this little chart here on the left-hand side. We can see our repair goal here, and we can go to sales goal and see the sales goal here. We have the information as in today's progress and on track to hit monthly goal. Now, in order to change this, we're going to go to the I on the top right. Here we'll be prompted to set our monthly goals to help motivate your staff. You can go to repair goal or sales goal from this page. So we'll go to repair goal. Now it's already set to whatever the goal is already. Now if we wanted to increase this goal to say 150, we can. We go update now. And there we go. It is now updated. We can also go to our sales goal and we can also update that as well. So here we can change this to whatever it is that we want our sales goal to be. Update. And there we have it. The sales goal has been set. And that's how you'll be changing your monthly goals and records for what you want to have.